National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 3:30 p.m. At 1:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cedarburg to near Hartford, moving south at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Oak Creek, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Pewaukee, Brown Deer, Sussex, St. Francis, Heartland, and Hales Corners. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Borner Botanical Gardens, General Mitchell International Airport, Timmerman Airport, Frodert and the Medical College, Fisher Forum, Pewaukee Lake, Ottawa Lake Recreation Area, and Pinewoods Campground. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm